shoulder pendulums. So with a shoulder pendulum, you want to weight. It's a little bit heavier, maybe 3 to 5 pounds, and you're going to hold the weight on the end. From here, you're going to kneel, and depending on what shoulder you're working on, you're going to hold that weight on that side. Now from here, the arm is going to go just limp and dead. So you want to feel that weight retract your shoulder, or gravity kind of pull down on that shoulder. And then at that point, you will kind of want to use your body to get the weight moving rather than actively moving your arm. So let gravity take over, and you're going to do a circle about the size of a small basketball. Each direction. Just let the arm relax as much as you can. Maybe 15 one direction and then 15 the other direction. All this is doing is giving you a little traction to that shoulder to help create more space in the shoulder so you don't get that impingement feeling as you're doing your shoulder rehabilitation. So that is the dumbbell shoulder pendulum.